All you'll need is a pair of long nose pliers, a 14mm socket if you have one, and a Phillips screwdriver. Firstly, eliminate all power to the fridge freezer. Remove any items and the shelves to make things easier for us to access the thermostat unit. Then remove the temperature dial. There's a nut which can be removed with a 14mm socket or a pair of long nose pliers to loosen it and then unscrew. With your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the long screw holding the thermostat unit in place. Remove the plastic pusher by pressing it forward and against the switch, then removing it. Now remove the two blue neutral wires with your long nose pliers or by hand. With your new light push button switch, reconnect the blue neutral wires to either side of the switch. You can then attach the new light push button switch to the housing and reattach your plastic pusher. Now we need to put the thermostat unit back in place. To make this easier, firstly thread the metal piece from the thermostat through to the other side. Then re-screw the nut back on. Now clip the back of the thermostat unit to the piece shown here in orange. Then line up the hole and re-screw the long screw we removed earlier. Reattach the temperature dial. Then reinstall the shelves and any items that you've removed. And that's it, your new light push button switch is all set to go.